Hello, I'm Pamela Meeking-Stewart, and I'm the creator of the Wheel of Segais, a divination system using the wisdom of nature to grow our dreams from seed to harvest. I've been working with it now since about 2014, and it already exists in a number of forms. I do personal readings, either in person or via Skype or email, and I've produced the Wheel of Segais personal reader kit so that you can do readings for yourself. And now, the Wheel of Segais reader training, a 7-part series that will teach you to do readings for others. And you can start the course just as soon as you receive your Wheel of Segais personal reader kit. And if you haven't seen one, it's like this. Comes in a beautiful box, a beautiful kit, and within there is a fabric wheel to do your castings on. There is a reader guide, so to give you all of the information about the segments and quadrants in it. There is a bag of hazelnuts, 9 hazelnuts to do casting, and 2 extras in case you lose one or 2. And finally, there is a notebook and a pen so that you can write down your question and the answers from the Salmon of Wisdom. Now, here's what you can expect from each of the 7 sessions. Session 1. Session 1 is the previously recorded first live presentation of the Wheel of Segais and offers an overview and demonstration of a reading. Don't forget, once you have your personal reader kit, you're entitled to 1 free personal reading from me via Skype or other interactive platform. If you've already purchased a Wheel of Segais personal reader kit, the cost will be deducted from the course fee. And if you haven't had your free personal reading, please request one. Pamela@thewoolshed.com. If you have previously purchased the recording of the first live presentation, that cost will be refunded. Session 2 covers setting up a reading with the client, framing the question, the significance of age, guardians, past, present and future, and the Wheel of Segais in the center of the wheel. Session 3 covers the first 3 segments in the quadrant of potential and possibility, winter, fire, initiation, and the first cusp of risk. Session 4 covers the 3 segments in the quadrant of heart and emotions, spring, water, emergence, and the second cusp of risk. Session 5 covers the 3 segments in the quadrant of head and intellect, summer, air, maturation, and the third cusp of risk. Session 6 covers the 3 segments in the quadrant of action and harvest, autumn, earth, manifestation, and the 4th cusp of risk. Session 7 is the final in the series. This covers the Salmon of Wisdom, absences, more complex readings, and drawing a wisdom card for clarity. And there will be homework. There will be at least 1 sample reading for each session, and you will be asked to give your interpretation of the reading, offer insights, and ask questions, as well as respond to questions following each session. Also being considered are biannual webinars for 6 students at a time, and a discussion page where students can share their insights and experiences. At the completion of the course, you will receive a certificate of competency and your own copy of the larger wheel that I use. You will also be added to an international Wheel of Segais directory of registered readers if you wish. I will also be available for limited personal consultation via Skype or other suitable platform. So if you're interested in doing this training course, then please follow the instructions to enroll. I very much look forward to sharing the wisdom of the Wheel of Segais with you.